Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So I've titled this video something along the lines of how to make the best of a bad situation. So we'll find out a little bit more about that as we get along. So the first tool we're using here is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools, and we're just going to turn this piece of wood down to round and round to the bowl shape. Flattening off the bottom there, making the tenon, and now we're going round the side. There we go, we switched camera views there, and we're going to continue getting that that final bowl shape.
Until my lungs give out your beauty.
Here's the mid-size rougher, just to flatten the top off, and back to the finisher to get that final shape. And back to the rougher to make the tenon, and the detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And we're going to take that nubbin off there. And you're just about to see what I mean right now. And where the bowl is ridden with bug holes, so I tried to fill all of them with various different mediums like resin and CA glue, but every time I tried taking it back, they just kept on reappearing in different places. So I decided to just highlight them. So moving on, so I've just finished up the sanding there with 240 grit from Clean Spore Abrasives. Bit of compressed air here. And now a bit of Burny Burny. So what we're doing here is we are actually going to go right over the bowl with the blowtorch, and we're going to end up heating up the bowl, and we are going to go over it, and then with the wire brush we're going to take off all of the burnt soft grain, leaving all of the scorched harder grain left there, and then we're going to give it a another Burny Burny over the top. So we're giving it a double scorch, so it's going to give it a bit of a nice textured feel. There you go. I'm not sure if you can already see it on camera there, but we're going to go over it once again.
Put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out your beautiful.
And once again with the wire brush. And once you've done all of this and brushed out all of the burnt soft grain, you should end up with a nice rippled effect with a nice bit of texture in the wood. And there you go. You should be able to see it a bit more now. So here is some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, just to clean off any residue and soot that's left over.
Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else.
And now we're going to cover it with some black intrinsic stains from Hampshire Sheen.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Drives pretty much as soon as it touched the wood, as the wood was still warm, which is pretty handy. Didn't have to wait around much. Alright, we've got some Barney Purple Eye Candy Mica Powder here, and we're just going to brush this all over.
drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my
Alright, there you go.
city lights.
Alright, we're going to lock that in now with some Hampshire Sheen sanding sealer.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
I ended up putting another 2 coats of that on afterwards. Alright, say hello to Jake. He makes some fantastic silicone molds for all your resin needs. So there'll be a link down for that in the description if you're interested in any of them. Alright, we're going to get to hollowing. This is the #1 hollower. I can already feel it being a little bit grabby from them wormholes going all the way through, so I decided to stop the lathe here and bring up the tailstock. Alright, now back to hollowing with the #1 hollower.
I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
Alright, is the detailer here so we can take out the centre of the bowl.
Nothing can break me. Trying to wake up from a dream. It's hard.
Now we're going to move the tool rest back into position to where we want it.
Birds are flying all around.
Get that lathe turned back on, and we're going to finish the hollowing with the full-size finisher.
This is where I should belong. Inside a simple song. Running careless down the line. Beyond the brink of time. I will love you till I die. On shaky grounds. You could never understand the way I am. It's not
And there is the mid-size finisher for them final passes. Going over the rim there.
I'm tired in oh so many ways. Been gone for 7
And as you can see, the bug holes went all the way through.
I don't know why I can't explain. My heart delivers pain.
They must have been real hungry, these bugs.
And I got nothing more to say. I'm just bored.
Alright, so we're going to do a bit of sanding here with some 240 grit.
I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know. I will love you till I die. On shaky grounds. You could never
Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain.
what it seems. Tangled up in dreams.
Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste to Just wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen original luster wax. So wipe this all over, let the solvents evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in. Build up that heat, don't push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on.
I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too.
Okay, so I'm interested if you think I made the best of a bad situation, so let me know down in the comments. Anyway, here are some pictures. Don't forget, share your friends, share your family, share your enemies if you have any. Click that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and if you wish to watch any more of my videos, click that link on the right hand side. And until next week, bye bye for now.